Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn if any element is present inside any frame, so how we can access it. Okay. So before coming to the code, I would request each and everyone please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button. So whenever I'm uploading a new video, you can get the notification. Also share my videos with your friends and families whoever is preparing for any automation testing interview or any Java interview or want to learn Java or automation testing. I think these videos will be helpful for them. Also please like my videos and also share your thoughts in the comment section. So let's come to the code. So first I am initializing driver equal to new Chrome driver, then I am maximizing the window. Then I am using implicitly wait of duration 10 second. Okay. Then I am opening this URL driver.get. I am opening this URL. Okay. And then there is a frame. So I am capturing it in a web element. Okay. So let's come to the this URL. Okay. Let's open it and then understand. Okay. Then I will explain. So this is the website. Okay, so my objective is I need to drag it and I have to paste it here like that. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we need to get the means locator of this element. Okay, the element to be dragged, and this is the destination location. Okay, target location. So this element location we need, right? Let me refresh it once again. Okay, so inspect this element. So if you could see, so there is a ID, okay, draggable. There is a ID draggable, and then there is another ID is droppable. Okay. So one ID is draggable and another ID is droppable. Okay. So why we need frame, right? We can use this, we can take the location, okay, take the means locator ID, and this take the locator, and using action class we can using drag and drop method, and we can do that. Okay, but it won't work. Why it is so? If we go little bit up, okay, so here if you could see, this is a frame. Okay, here this is the total content, and inside that there is a frame. So whenever there is a frame, so that time we have to switch to this frame first. Okay, we have to switch to this frame first, and then inside that frame whatever element is there we can do that operations. Okay, so then first we need the locator of this element. Okay, so here if you could see, this is the tag name iframe and this is the class demo frame, right? So if we see the code, so driver.find element by.xpath, this is the frame name and this is the @class. Okay, the attribute name and the value. So this is I am storing in E1. Then what function I am doing, driver.switch to frame, and we are giving E1. So frame we can do in three ways. Okay, we can either pass any element or any ID or any class name. Okay, or any name like that we can do that, or any index value. Suppose 0, there are multiple frames are available, so then 0 index, 1 index. Okay, so locator name or ID and index value, like that we can switch to the frame. So then I am using thread.sleep so that you can see the execution, else it will be very fast. Then I am capturing the drag, okay, this draggable element in this web element using the ID, and this is the droppable element. Okay, so I think you are able to see, right? So this element then I am storing and this element I am storing. Okay, so there are two web element, drag and drop. Then I am using action class. So then I am using actions class. Okay, actions a1 equal to new actions. I am passing the driver. Okay, then what I am doing, a1 dot drag and drop. Okay, the methods available inside the action class that I am using. So I am first passing the source location. okay, web element source and the target location, and dot perform. So to achieve any methods, okay, inside the actions class, we need to use dot perform, because sometimes we are using composite methods, okay, drag and drop in a same line, click, okay, move to element. So that's why. Then what I am doing, I am capturing the text, so text message, okay, in the drop. So if we could see in the website, so once it is get dropped, so then there is a message, right, dropped. So that I am trying to capture. So that I am going to capture using get text. Done. Then I am using thread dot sleep. It is not good practice to use the thread dot sleep, okay, in our actual automation testing framework. We should not use it. But here I am using so that you can see the execution, else it will be very fast. Then what I am doing, I am switching to the default content. So default content means from the beginning where we are there, okay, in which window or frame, there I am switching back to that. Okay, if you could see here, this is inside frame, right, and then there is ID. Okay, so I am switching this part. Okay, I am switching this part, default content. Suppose now there is only one frame. Suppose there is one frame, then two frame, three frame inside that. So we have to jump one by one, right? And if we press default content, then it will move out from all the frames, okay, to the parent page. So that we are using default page. Then what I am doing, I am clicking on a element. So what is this element? Okay, let's go to that page again. So there is a accept button, okay. So if you could see here, accept is there, okay. Text message, and there is a anchor tag, okay. A means anchor tag. So a, then text message equal to accept, and clicking on that, and then driver dot quit, okay. So that is operation I am performing. So let's run it, let's see the result. Maximizing the screen, okay, then it will be drag. It is dragged, it is click, right? I think you have seen that action is getting click, it is happening very fast. If you haven't was that, okay, you missed that, okay, check this video again, so you will able to see this action is getting clicked, okay. And then this message, let's see this message, okay, whether drop is captured or not. Yeah, so this is the message on the drop, okay, this is getting also captured. So that's all for today. Okay, if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts, okay. And please subscribe my channel, okay. I'm putting a lot of effort to create videos, okay. So it will be very helpful, okay. And I will get also some motivation to create a new videos, okay, every day. So that's why. So that's all for today. Tomorrow again I will come with a new video. Thank you all. Have a nice day.